Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about SEO and social media theme named as Optimize. With the help of this theme, you'll be able to create your own digital marketing website, which is a really great step in nowadays, right? And this website and this theme is super easy to install and just put it on your website. Let me show you what kind of demo these guys provide you. You can just click on live preview. With the help of this, you will be able to see what are the actual demos these author provide you. Sometimes these websites don't load, but actually it is working right now. So if I click on this, the original home, let's see if how this theme looks like exactly. So it's loading. So as you can see, this is a very good looking and amazing website. With the help of this website, you will be able to showcase your own digital marketing company, right? And you can literally edit each and every section of this, and you get a live chat also. You can always integrate that live chat, isn't that okay? So in today's video, we are going to exactly copy and paste this demo content onto our live website. So come back here, and if we have to first of all download this theme, there are two options. You can always get the regular license key, which will cost you around $70. In this video I am going to just use a GPL version of this theme, which is also quite affordable. And if you think that after buying this theme this is not worth it, then you can always get a money back guarantee, right? You can always get a 7 days money back guarantee. That's really good. So I'll just try to download this. So I have already downloaded it. Now it's time to install this on our website. So how you can install it? Only by just we can install it on our WordPress website by just a few steps. Okay, follow me. You just have to come to your dashboard. First of all, you just have to log in into your dashboard. Come to your website, and just after a URL, type WP admin and you will be logged into your dashboard. Okay, if you are logging for the first time, you will be asked user ID password which you put while you were installing your WordPress on your hosting account, right? So once you are logged in, you will see some kind of interface like this, which you're seeing right now on front of you. On the left hand side, you will be able to see appearance, plugin, user, themes, everything. So today we are going to deal with only appearance under that theme section. So we are going to add a new theme. As you can see, it already has been added on my account. I will just try to add more. I will try to add it again. But before that, let me show you that WordPress by default provide you n numbers of free theme as well. But there are major difference between free and paid theme. Let me explain you what they are. So basically free theme are not that much flexible when it comes to designing, because with the help of free theme that are not way more mobile responsive also. And when it comes to AdSense perspective, their conversion rates are pretty low. So I generally prefer, if you have a good amount of budget to invest in a initial stage, always invest money on a good theme. Okay, so we will try to upload our theme. Click on upload, select the file, and where it said this is the file, I will select and click on install. And installation process will take time. It's totally depend upon your internet speed. So I have already installed it. I just need to activate it. Let me activate that theme. Click on activate. So as you can see, activate has been completed. So now you see this kind of pop-up. What is this? Let me explain you. So basically our theme is suggesting us to install some kind of recommended plugins. So what are recommended plugins? Basically a theme consists of multiple functionalities, and each and every functionality is built up by some kind of plugin, right? So with the example concept, uh, for example, if a theme has a slider, okay, and that particular slider has to be related with some kind of theme, like you can always take an example of revolution slider. If the revolution slider plugin has been missing from your theme, then the slider function won't work on your theme homepage or anywhere where you have put the code, right? So whenever a theme suggests you to install some kind of recommended plugin, never ever ignore those kind of messages. Okay, so we will try to activate all the themes because I have already installed it, and it's this simple basic step. You just have to bulk action and click on install. The installation process will be completed. Then same thing goes with the activation process. I personally prefer that activation process you should always take from here, bulk action, activate and apply. Because if you activate from this page, activation process that much time don't take from this page. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of seconds and it will be completed. There is no issues in that. So once the activation of all the plugins has been completed successfully, our next step will be to import the demo data in our website, because we basically want our website to look exactly like this, right? Because this is so amazing. If you see with the phone perspective also, this theme is literally optimized for phone as well. If you can see this, right, this is so much good looking theme in mobile as well. If I stretch the width according to that, it will also stretch. So this is called the responsiveness of a particular theme. So let me show you. I guess all the plugin has been activated successfully. Yes, they are. And now it's time to import the demo content. So to import the demo content, you have to come to the Mikado theme option. Okay, on under there you will find import. Click on import, and here we have to import everything. Okay, first of all we have to select the import type. I will select all, because with this with the option of this we will be able to import content, widget, options, everything. Cool. So now we will import all. Import attachment, yeah, we want to import attachment, and click on import. So this is the process which will take approximately 1 or 2 minutes. You just have to go and grab a coffee and drink it. Totally depends upon you. So sit back and relax. We will catch you very soon. So as you can see, all the import process has been completed successfully. Now it's time to see how our website looks right now. And let me show you how our website was looking earlier. It was like simple, basic, with nothing at all, no footer, no header, nothing at all, right? So I will just refresh our website and let's see how our website looks right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, everything has been imported successfully. You can see there is a custom sticky header. Yeah, it is a sticky header, and you get content submission, conversion rate. These are some kind of mini templates, and you can display your video as well. This is a call to action section, and you get a different feature section as well. Okay, everything is installed perfectly if I'm not wrong, right? And if you scroll down, you get a beautiful looking footer as well, and a button to just move to the top, right? And let's see how our other pages looks like. And if I go to the blog section and I scroll down, blog is empty, that's why it isn't showing anything. Let's go to the shop with sidebar. Actually there is not that much of content, that's why it isn't showing. So the whole point is everything has been imported successfully. You can just add your item and that will be totally complete website. You can see everything is mobile optimized as well. So at the end, I just want to say, if you really want to buy this theme, you can always get the regular license key. And in the initial stage of developing a website, you don't have $70 to invest on your website. I'll suggest you to get our GPL version of this website. We provide GPL version. And if you're not satisfied with this version, you can always get a 7 days money back guarantee, which is a great deal, right? And if you guys are running a WordPress agency or a digital marketing agency, or you are a freelancer and WordPress developer, you can always come to our website and check our membership plan, because with the help of our membership plan, you will be able to get a lot of benefits. Let me show you. If you pick our lifetime access plan, you will be able to download more than 5,400 items per year, which is a great deal, right? Because this website consists of more than 6,000 WordPress plugins and theme, which is a great deal, right? Okay, and if you don't have that much amount to invest in the initial stage of development, you can always get a monthly plan of $29. That is really affordable for everyone, I guess. Okay, and it will cost you around 300 rupees. No, I mean to say, you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is also kind of a great deal, right? So at the end, I just want to wrap this video up by saying, if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.